Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Motorola Moto G23. And to do this you will need to open the Google Play Store. Inside, try to find Notify Body, select it and download it. When it's ready, click on the Open. Move to the next step and grant permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which can be disabled and it's optional. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. From here you can start using your app, and there's 4 tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can find all system-bound apps. In Active there's all apps that we just activated, and in the Settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like a size, shape or a placement on the screen. Now let's click on the test button to see the LED lamp, which is right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.